welcome to this video. Trade recap. Okay. I know what I want to do with these trade recaps, bro. I'm trying to do things. I want to do things a little different. You know what I'm saying? Everybody, they usually do a trade recap on their computer with their laptop, desktop, phone. Actually, I've never seen anyone do a phone. I'm probably the only person I've seen who actually did a who has actually done a trade recap just off of their phone. Meaning you pull up the phone and you start screen recording that bit. But I never seen anyone do that except for me. But yeah, I want to change things up a bit. Okay, instead of just doing the laptop and the screen and being like, oh yeah, this, that, blah, blah, blah. I was thinking maybe just changing the location here and there. You know what I'm saying? In case you're wondering what that noise is, it's another chair right here. There's another chair right here that I keep pushing on. I'm not even trying to push on it. Hey, shit keeps happening. Shout out to the pink chair though. Shout out to this pink chair right here. Pink chair. Pink lighter. Pink ashtray. No, it's not mine. It's not mine, bro. In case you're wondering. In case you're new, welcome to the channel. My name is Darian Prince. Okay. Is Prince my last name? Maybe. Maybe that's just my alias. Maybe my name is not actually Darian at all. And my name is probably something like multi-millionaire, 9-figure trader. Maybe that's my actual name, bro, on my birth certificate. But yeah, when it comes to this trade, took this trade earlier this morning, and New York, our winning streak ended. Our winning streak has officially ended. Funny thing about this trade is that it went down into the initial area. Matter of fact, let me just go on the screen, bro. Let me just go on the screen. All right, so jumping into the screen, like I said, this was the original area I was waiting for price to hit. And price hit that area and then it rocketed up. And you're probably thinking, Darian, why didn't you just take a trade like that? Well, guess what? The reason I didn't take a trade like that is because I saw another area that was giving some momentum. Okay. Now, when it comes to the areas, if I see a new area that's actually getting some momentum and I see reaction off there, I'll take the trade off that new area. And that new area just so happened to be right here. Okay. Valid area because it broke out, boom, came back, rejected again, got in on that second rejection, had a lot of momentum there. Trade looked a little something like this. We were aiming for some highs. We had some highs to the side. Go to the side, bit. Go to the side. There was a high right here. Overall high right here. I was aiming for these highs around this area, but it didn't hit. Unfortunately, it didn't hit. Our 5-day winning streak has come to a close, but it's okay because shit happens. You're not supposed to win every single day. The most important thing, well, one of the most important things when it comes to trading is how you handle a loss. Everybody can get excited about a win. I've been excited about a win. I was excited about winning 5 times in a row last week. How did I feel about this one? Well, the loss, it sucked, but it is what it is because at the end of the day, it's about math, it's about probabilities, and most of the time these trades are going to hit take profit, so it's A-okay. But it's kind of crazy how it did come back down to my original area and then it hit. But the thing about this trade is that this would not have been a valid setup anyways. This action going on down here, this would not have been a valid setup anyways. Kind of crazy thing is that the second rejection off this same area, well, matter of fact, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5th rejection off this same area I was looking at right here. Let's move this shit up a little bit. Let's see here. There we go. The rejection area off of this actually would have been an entry I probably would have taken, but this is like way past an hour of trading. I don't even know if I would have been looking at shit like that. But yeah, lost in New York for gold. I marked up 7. No, this was on a different chart that I marked it up. 7 o'clock would have been a dub, easy dub. Where is I think the trade probably would look something like this. Something like that. Yep. Trade would look something like that. Yep. And then if you go to NASDAQ, because I was messing with NASDAQ. Yes, that's right. I'm looking at NASDAQ again. Reason being is because I understand price action a hell of a lot better. And I've been keeping an eye on it. I have been keeping an eye on NASDAQ. NASDAQ has been printing. So entry is somewhere up here, to be honest. A little negative RR, but I'm not going to lie. When it went down on some accounts, I didn't trade every single account the same. Some accounts I traded NASDAQ. When I was in drawdown, I entered a couple more positions and it gave me a better RR. That was about it. So I consider this a dub. I consider this a dub, bro. Yeah, that's what happened on the charts today. Okay, one trade a day, one move a day, and we move on. We do our thing from there. So yeah, that's it. What are we gonna do from here? Well, at least Nasdaq hit take profit. It was kind of like a negative RR, but with those multiple entries, shit kind of hit though. Shit kind of hit. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing tomorrow. Not gonna trade Asia session. I don't feel like trading Asia session. I'm kind of like sick of trading in the evenings. I want to do more like free time type stuff in the evening. So I'm not even gonna touch Asia session. But as you saw, 7 p.m. last night was a banger that we didn't take. But it's okay. It happens. Shit happens, bro. Shit happens. Do what works for you. Stay consistent.